I'm prepping. Welcome to Food or Deal with MJ. Oh, sorry, I'm looking at the wrong camera, guys. Welcome to Food or Deal with MJ. It's your girl, the Real Mermaid J. I also go by MJ, Mike Jack, whatever the f. We out here getting into a cooking segment. I love to cook, and I love to show y'all a little bit more of my personality outside of the debate show.
Talk to my homie. He got money. He's T. He dressed nice. He be slanging. He be slanging wood.
So we got some Rasta pasta, or is it Rasta pasta or Caribbean pasta?
Rasta pasta.
We got some Rasta pasta. We got some chicken, some salmon. We gonna throw some shrimps up in there. And I have a guest with me, a very special guest.
It's okay. I'm gonna make the video.
You can introduce yourself whenever, cause he's gonna edit it and like I already.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Shasley, motherfucking Brooks, and the Nicaraguan princess, and I'm here with my girl MJ. I'm really excited because we about to cook some shit up. We both love to cook, and we have a little fun game too that we're gonna be playing with y'all. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Wait, let me close my eyes to do this.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Y'all finna get me in trouble.
Oh my God.
It's gonna be lit. I'm ready. The food gonna be good. We got drinks, we got hookah, we got the vibes.
Welcome to Food or Dare, guys.
Prior to coming onto this podcast, I had my own kind of dreams of making my own podcast until I met him. And now here I am with these wonderful people. I really do appreciate every single one of y'all. Like, it's lit. It's okay.
You better keep coming
it's
back.
Okay, I'll be here. I will be here.
So guys, on these tabs, we have some challenges. So we're both gonna close our, well, wait. We're gonna rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first.
Okay. I'm scared. I'm so nervous. I don't know why. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Wait, let me close my eyes to do this.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
So I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm gonna pull a tab from this bag. Look, I poured the shots because if it's something that one of us refuses to do, we gotta take a shot. So, oh my God, I done set myself up. Play most recent songs. I could do that.
Okay, yeah, that's some chill shit.
All right, my most recent song before this one was this one. What's going on with that camera?
You did what I'm saying. You did all dollars on the county fat. Yeah.
I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Post an embarrassing picture.
Ooh.
So if I don't want to post an embarrassing picture, what I gotta do? I gotta take a shot? What's something that I would not post? You said it doesn't necessarily have to be me.
No.
So it could be anything. So this is the picture. If y'all see my back, y'all see the tattoo that I have? Like this fire ass tattoo.
Really cute. It looked like it hurt though.
But it did hurt. But it wasn't cute before. So I had went to an artist at first, and this is a picture. This is what it looked like before.
Nah, they botched your shit. Why?
What is it? What is it? What is it?
Name drop your best eater.
Go ahead. Or if you don't want to answer, you know what you gotta do.
You gotta answer.
I can't.
She gotta answer.
I literally can't answer.
You gotta answer.
I don't want nobody shorty punching them in their face.
If you answer it, I'll answer it with you.
You know why I can't answer it? Because like this person is like very well known, and when this clip drops, he gonna know exactly who he is. I'm gonna just leave it at that.
So it's called Food or Dare. So if she don't want to do the dare, she had to try some nasty food or some weird nasty shit.
Hot sauce covered cake pop. Yo, I'm really about to do this because like I can't blow my top like that. Oh, it broke. All right, so I'll do a piece.
Alright, that's good.
Oh my God, it's about to be so nasty. Oh my God.
That's cool.
Oh my God.
Girl, that is not enough. That is not enough. Oh no.
Yo, she's a bad influence. Look, my mom's calling. Look at what I'm doing while my mother's calling. What do you think?
Oh God. Oh God. Oh. Oh.
It's okay, but I'm gonna tell mine. Troy. Troy. Okay, so I'm next now. Damn. Y'all, if that was the question that she just got, I'm scared to get her shit for real. Like, oh my gosh. Let's see. Oh, it's a dare. I gotta eat a dum dum dipped in ranch.
There goes the dum dums.
Okay, let's see. Oh. Damn. Like, I'm not even gonna taste this shit, yo.
Ew. Nah, let me stop.
Oh God. Oh God.
Yo, I'm so scared. I'm not gonna lie, I'm low-key kind of nervous now because this is. Wait, so I gotta like do? Can I just like do like suck it, or like I gotta like bite into the whole thing?
Hurry up.
Okay. Mm.
It's good.
It's like I don't even taste the watermelon because the ranch overrides it. Like, Troy, if you watching this,
Stop it.
hit my number up, baby. Nah, don't hit me up. I got a nigga. For real, for real. But you did your shit. Yo, he got a whole girlfriend too. But he wasn't my only eater, but he definitely.
What we got?
Pretend to be the other person for the next 5 minutes. Oh, this could be.
You know
hard.
what? This is interesting because I want to see how do I act? What do you see me as?
Hi guys, my name is Shasly. You can follow me on Instagram at Shasly SHASLY.YY.
I hope I get a white one because I wrote the white one. She wrote the yellow ones.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Make that shit around.
Okay, you mix it around and I'm
Alright, close your eyes. Put your hand in.
Damn. I know my hand not this big.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Okay. Ah! Okay. Oh my gosh, babe, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry.
Oh my God. Are you going to do it?
Why
I think I
not?
know which one this is.
It says, call your favorite ex on camera, on speaker. So what do I do? What do I just say? Like,
Just start a conversation. Like, if they don't answer, then that's a W for you. Don't tell me you about to call Troy. Like,
y'all finna get me in trouble.
yo, Shasly's bae, she is sorry in advance.
Y'all finna get me in
It's not her
trouble.
fault.
You know what? I'm just not gonna share I'm not gonna show him this shit. You know how Niecy say, if you wanna know how to be a cheater, hit me up.
If y'all want to know how to cheat, get at me. That's all I can say.
If you wanna know how to be a player, baby, hit me up.
She said she put the P in player. Stop playing with her.
I'ma do it. Fuck it. I'ma do it. I'ma give y'all what y'all wanna see. Fuck this shit. I hope he don't answer though. Oh, you said on speaker? Okay. Listen, I'ma confirm it with her, but I'm not gonna say the name just because, you know, like, we ain't doing all that. Yo, this shit is crazy. Ooh, child. It says I gotta call him on camera and on speaker.
Shaz?
Listen, ain't nobody gonna do shit. If my name,
No, that's right. You gonna FaceTime him or you gonna just put it on speaker?
FaceTime? Should I FaceTime?
He probably want to see you. You look cute too.
Stop playing.
Okay, hold on. I'm FaceTiming y'all. I hope he don't answer. I really hope he don't. I hope he don't answer, for real. Do I need to let it ring all the way out? Because usually when 3 rings and they don't answer.
You know what to do.
So if you call back, I gotta answer.
That's part of the challenge.
Okay, he's not answering y'all, so I'm gonna hang up. I don't be letting nobody phone ring out until that shit hang out. Like,
Call out a fake friend.
ooh! Okay, I'm not gonna lie. The last one that you did, you didn't call out your favorite eater, so you gonna have to do this
I'm
shit.
gonna call this bitch out.
And I'll call one out with you too, just because I have your back and I'm gonna be that bitch.
So, her name is Tiana.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Mind you, this was my best friend. I'm gonna get into a little story time. I'm gonna try to keep it brief. Shout out to Tiana. I don't wish her no bad, but the way she went about shit was crazy. At the time I was pregnant with my daughter, I had just had a miscarriage though. I didn't want to tell anybody right away because I was scared that I was gonna like jinx it. You know what I'm saying? So I had a friend named Tiana. She was my best friend from like my whole high school career. Like I couldn't always be there to pick up the phone. So instead of just trying to contact me or just calling my phone directly, she went to social media and made a long post about how it's crazy how your friend will be on social media all the time and not respond to your calls or texts, blah, blah, blah. And in my head, I'm like, bitch, I got my own shit going on. But what got to me was the fact that she went to social media with it. It was like, bitch, don't do that. Like, when we do get a chance to talk, you can express how you feel, but running to social media is what got her blocked on everything.
Okay, so what was the question? It was a call out a fake friend?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna do this shit right with you because I've only ever had like, I've had a whole bunch of fake people in my life, but the one person that I'll be like, bitch, you was really grimy, like, and it was my cousin. And she was really like, more so like.
That'd be the worst.
We weren't like blood cousins, but we grew up together, so we called each other cousins. And we like went through elementary school together. Like my first ever physical fight was with this girl. Oh my God. And when I got into like high school, I was dating my ex nigga or whatever, and she went and fucked my nigga behind my back.
Oh my God.
One Caribbean friend say bumble clot right now.
From we are juvenile, how we are running ground. Watch those parties where they must. How we are from the other center where they must. Chain it and chain fat plans for we know this boy where you chat.
The reason I hide, never did drive my car, so I'm flooding the pilot. Figure out like my bar, she gonna eat like lion. I doing too much wrong, maybe I go on and die.
We're about to try this food, y'all. Shout out to y'all for tuning into Food or Dare. We did some dares, y'all. Shout out to Troy.
Yo, don't even bring that shit up.
All right, never mind that. But shout out to everybody in the building. May 14th, August 23rd. Those are 2 dates you want to remember. And shout out to my baby Shaz. Children, y'all want to eat food? Oh wait, I need 2 more forks.